Hello everyone, I will today make Maggi noodles soup. Very nice, very new recipe. This one. I put this one garlic, little bit hot oil, mustard oil, and put ginger and garlic. Very nice. All video watching. This is very good recipe. Try your this one put and little bit salt extra this water putting its salt in taste, then put cut onion. I saute little bit. This one very nice recipe. Try this new recipe. Then I saute. अन्त चलाउनलाई चलाइसकेपछि I put little bit Maggi masala. I put turmeric powder, not Maggi masala. Last time put I put Maggi masala and keep it saute. Onion ready. I put water now. Hot water. Like you are too much put water, but you are like small. No, I not thick, but soup it. I put Maggi छेउछेउमा ढालिसकेको छु अनि यसमा मलाई सुप मन पर्ने भएको सुप हाल्दैछु. I put too much water. I like this, but you are not too much like in this small water put and Maggi. All Maggi masala put and any vegetable you like in this vegetable also put. Same capsicum, carrot, beans, green peas, any put. This one good. I put Maggi masala and red chili powder put. This one soup ready. Try this, very nice. Like, comment and subscribe video. Next time other video I put. Thank you watching the video.